So for many embedded computer vision use cases, there's a large number of corner cases that need to be addressed to really have a useful solution that you can actually deploy into the market. For example, in drones, you may have drones that are following people around, trying to take images in all sorts of different environments, or inspecting roofs or farms. We've talked extensively today about autonomous driving and the corner cases there. Robotics, you may have robots that are trying to go into all sorts of disaster relief information areas. And so the question is, how can you create a system that is robust to the wide range of variations and have the ability to improve over time as more and more corner cases are encountered? Because you can't really anticipate and see all the corner cases at design time. So let's look at a case study around intelligent driving monitoring systems. So what is IDMS, Intelligent Driving Monitoring Systems? Imagine that you're a fleet owner. You have 500, 1,000 vehicles, and you have about double that number of drivers. Now what you'll notice as a typical fleet owner, that about 89% of your drivers are new every year, so you're actually having an 89% turnover of drivers. So you don't really know who your drivers are very well. But at the same time, those drivers are out there driving your fleets and taking along a lot of liability for you, brand awareness, money, and so forth. And then on top of that, there's been a rise in nuclear verdicts, what are called the nuclear payouts. For example, a single accident by one company had a $100 million payout. Another company had a $40 million payout just around a single accident. So this is actually causing a lot of business impact to these companies. And that's not even including all of the life and personal health and aspects. So if you look at the US alone, in 2015, 35,000 deaths were attributable to road accidents, which were the leading cause of life and property, about $800 billion of financial loss. Globally, there's about 1.25 million people who die annually. And yet at the same time, 94% of the accidents are due to driver-related reasons. So that shows that if we can actually improve driver performance, that we can make a big difference in this.